responsibility. It is enough. Enough is enough. Last 1.5 years, I had also asked about the proposal sent. It is shocking. In Annexure B, the proposals that are being sent to the Finance Department, they are pending. Will you fix this responsibility? When will South Goa District Hospital? I congratulated you first time as an MLA when you announced for the CAT lab. The CAT lab काहीच ना. मोदे मुडुक लागले CAT lab वयर टेरिसाचे हाटेन. Speaker sir, today people are dying. South Goa District Hospital was a Congress project. Today that was done by the Congress. He was the health minister. Maybe people have changed and gone to the other side. But that was done for people to get justice. When Magela Puilo, first supplementary, when will you fix the problem of South Goa District Hospital? Committee ata, dotra ata, nothing has happened. Absolutely nothing. Will you fix this? Please tell us. This is my first supplementary.
Speaker sir, it's very easy to be in the opposition because you have to raise issues. We are going into an election year and say it's not very easy to run an institution like this. And I'm not saying that we have not done anything. As far as the South Goa District Hospital, he has asked me first about the South Goa District Hospital. I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister also on multiple occasions, is that we are looking for doctors. As far as the OPD is concerned, once a week there's an OPD of cardiology that is being run in the South Goa District Hospital. In addition to that, we are running a very successful setup in the Goa Medical College, and we are trying to see that we get the best of specialists and doctors from time to time. Yesterday, you must have seen the tweet, we got another 3 doctors to work in the cancer department. What I'm trying to say is that what he said, we have in the last 2 months, we have increased the bed strength by another 150. I think Honorable Leader Vijay Sardesai brought it to my notice, Honorable Chief Minister brought it to my notice, is that patients were being put on stretchers and all this. So we gave directions that not a single patient will be on stretchers. 150 beds were increased. More than any kind of teaching institute there, it is the facilities that we provide.
See, today, yesterday night also there is a
either you allow me to answer or you sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. You only answer.
No, you are.
No, I can't answer.
Today as well, people are there on stretchers.
If he is going to continue to disturb my thoughts, I will not be able to answer his question, and then you can move to the next question, because all I want my department only. If this question is of value to him, then he has to also understand that he has to join Nure, and main Speaker sir, the basic thing is it is not in my hands, it is not in my only hands whether we want to do a cardiac setup. We have had a detailed discussion with Dr. Guru Prasad Naik and the whole team there whether we can have a unit 2 posted in the South Goa District Hospital. They said no, we cannot have a unit 2, you need to create a new unit in South Goa District Hospital.
You proposed the CAT lab, no?
Yes, question to me, Sir Vatslayar. Then he is asked right from the procurement onwards to what you have done in 5 years. It's not a 1-year question. Or it's not my last commitment that is made in the assembly. It is a huge question and which our department has given and uploaded. Actually, Secretary Legislature asked me whether I'm postponing. I said, no, we are uploading it and withdraw my letter. Let it all go. Most important, Speaker sir, as far as this South Goa District Hospital, I on record am in this house. Chief Minister also in his presence, I have said that we will commission it fully. What we require there is neurology, neurosurgery, and we require orthopedics, which is most important. Intervention, because there are people who come from Kanpur, and he come from Kanpur, then they come to the South Goa District Hospital, and from there they come to Goa Medical College. We are aware of that. Actually, I have got all the statistics of the referrals that are being doing. These are all accident cases and all where the referrals are being doing, which should be actually handled there. We are in the process of seeing that we are able to comprehensive proposals of Mr. Nilesh Kabral's constituency, and then we are doing of South Goa District Hospital, then Subhash Valdesai's Sangye Hospital, which is newly being built, and also further assessment of the Goa Medical College on how we can take it further. South Goa District Hospital requires these 2 specialities immediately. And also MRI proposal order has been already sent. Finance is in the proposal of placing that order. And Honorable Chief Minister,
when you said this 2 years ago.
Speaker sir, it doesn't work like that. In Goa
Medical College. Okay, I'll just ask you. I'll just ask you, Speaker sir.
I just want to
MRI machine is a basic tool required there. When there are stroke patients, it is necessary so that an MRI is. Speaker sir, okay, Mantri Mashe Bose, I'll tell you 1 minute. Now, Speaker sir, Annexure F, which is available in what you have said, ki urology opinion जाय जाला GMC, neurology opinion जाय जाला GMC, orthopedic department na, CKD, जे chronic kidney disease, हे जाता renal failure department takes the view sends to GMC. STEMI patients are thrombolized and sent to GMC. आता नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे थिंगाय सारखे सिटी स्कॅन ना हे तुमकांय पडटा ऑनरेबल स्पीकर देर इज नो सिटी स्कॅन मशीन इन पोंडा इट्स वर्स 4 मंत्री आशिल्ले एकलो आमचो बाब रवी बाब नायक ना एकला मुट्टूंक दिवयलो आता सुदीन बाब 6 म्हयन्यान कितें करता तें सांगो जायना पूण तेज्या हुणे म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही आज लक्ष घालपाक जाय हे सिटी स्कॅन मशीन थिंगाय ना इफ यू लुक at the referrals I'll just give the honorable minister a look. North Goa has the highest referrals, MAPSA, 7,326 in 2024. Anik, if you look at the total referrals, what was 9,400 in 21, is shot to 15,000. 15,000. Speaker sir, Ponda is the highest, 834. That was in 2021 is gone to 3,200 in 2025. म्हणजे जे रिफरल 2021 9,500 आशिल्ले आज 15,000 लोक जीएमसी रिफर जाता. आज स्पीकर सर आता इवन म्हापसा असिलो हॉस्पिटल why this step motherly treatment आज स्पीकर सर if you look at major issues that are in GMC all load येता आणि सगळे जीएमसी दोतोराचे मागीर दोतोरा त्रास जाता वी हॅव द हायेस्ट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द डॉक्टर्स स्पीकर सर कॅन्सर पेशंट जे पड आहा दिस इज अ फॅक्ट नाव वॉट आय एम पॉइंटिंग आउट इन जीएमसी कॅन्सर थेरपीज अप टू 15% आर सेंट टू अदर प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल्स 15% either within the state or outside. Why is the reason? Because there is no intensivist. One doctor intensivist is not there. Speaker sir, ICU bed available now. There is so many patients coming there. People have to be taken out of the ICU. Anta intensivist Goa Medical College in na. How currently there is only you have an anesthetist.
Speaker sir, point of order. The figure that he mentioned of 7,000 from South Goa District Hospital, I just want him
No,
to...
I said not South Goa District
He's
Hospital.
wrong.
Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. I've got all
He should be very specific so I can actually give a specific
the
answer.
total figures of South Goa was 4,582. I'm talking about 14,890 are the total referrals. Total. Speaker sir, Anna, जो intensivist असता, he is the head. आता currently anesthetist under थिंगा प्रोसिजर जाते. कॅन्सर ट्रीटमेंट लोकांक त्रास जाता थिंगा. बिकॉज this is basically जे लिव्हर सिरोसिस जाता. लोकांक इतले लिव्हर पार्ट जाता. स्पीकर सर, आज they are forced to go to private hospitals. Expenses are incurred by over 35 lakhs. इतलो खर्च जाता. KLE, Mumbai, Hyderabad हेंगा लोकांक वचपाक पडटा. Speaker sir, all this can be prevented by just getting one intensivist. Today, Goa Medical College, जरी तो थी casualty थोईल जाल्यार, you know the load. Every 7 minutes, one ambulance comes. Every 7 minutes. Speaker sir, casualty is overcrowded. Patient time, which is normally 3 to 6 hours, रावपा पडटा. मागीर सगळे आमदाराक फोन येताय, आपणा casualty भितर गेलना. ते दोतोर कितें करतले? 3-6 hours थिंगा रावताय. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता हे कॅन्सर पेशंटाच्या लागून we need to make sure in GMC also, I'm talking specifically in GMC, then I'll put a pointed question. There are two types of diagnosis, advanced treatment and advanced diagnostic. आता हे PET scan machine, हे हाडपाक जाय म्हणून गेलते वर्सा हें सांगिल्लें आपूण तेको सायन्सा मंत्री को उलयता मुखेलमंत्री कडेन. हे PET scan is a basic tool to detect cancer. You all don't even have that. 1.5 years I've been screaming at the top of my voice. I'm not screaming because of anything, because that is required. You can diagnose, especially because of that, advanced technology asa. You all are using the cobalt technology for radiology, for basically treating radiotherapy. Aaj, linear accelerator machines for targeted thing like LINAC. This is not there with you. So basically, cancer patients, you know best. There is no one better who knows about cancer. But today, Speaker sir, when we see these things, intensivist is not there, and all the pressure comes on one person. Jenna OT hota hai, patient a bahar kadai. These are common issues. 20% of the cases are postponed in GMC. Aaj zatole, fal zatole, and they are kept nil by mouth early in the morning till afternoon. Aaj jatle operation ho na. This is the status today in GMC, Speaker sir. Super speciality to robotic surgery को तुम सांगितले. किती झाले robotic surgery चे? आज I'll give you a very specific question. कि despite the assurance on the floor of the house, you have failed to get the PET scan. Will you minimize this load that is coming on GMC? What is the, don't tell me that in 1990s what was GMC, that is what you answer normally. What will you do to improvise the situation now currently? Because all referrals are coming there.
How many questions? 3, 4, 5, 6. One I have to answer.
Will you improvise the situation? This is a fact, whatever I
just
said.
want to know, he has spoken for last 10 minutes. Now I didn't understand it. I understood the matter. What is the question? I want
Because,
to know one line, what is the question? Because I am not as literate as him, but I need in one line,
Because,
what is the question? Then I will answer.
When
Till
there
then I
is
am not
so
answering
much
because of
load
the question.
on GMC, what will you
I
do to
want one,
minimize?
are you asking him to ask 10 questions? One question you ask,
अरे
I'll
एक गुना का
answer.
हम काय जाए दूसरे क्वेश्चन
Arey, one question, speaker sir.
Ask
One
your
question,
question.
let him answer.
Ask your question.
He is a pilot. You should know. One question you ask me, now I'll answer.
अरे जीएमसी लोग मौत तो उंडे
What is
जातो
the
नो
question?
ओ वाटतले
What is the
लोग
question?
लोग
Question कितें? हे इलेक्शनाची रॅली न्हू. हे विधानसभा क्वेश्चन विचार, हांव उत्तर दिता. I don't know now. You are not asking him to ask a question, I am not answering anything.
Ask your question.
अरे स्पीकर से आंसर दिल ना देणे
अरे, मग क्वेश्चनच कळना कितें तें.
हे किती
क्वेश्चन कितें? हांव तेच विचारता. ताका कसलो उत्तर जाय? आयज पेट स्कॅन हाडून जाय. काय आहे ते ऑपरेशन न जाता ते टाइम कमी करून जाय. इंटरव्हेन्शन असू जाय. कितें? क्वेश्चन कितें?
No, what will you do? These are the current issues with cancer.
You ask me to ask me a specific question. This cannot go on like this.
स्पीकर साहब मंत्री टाइम गेलो जाय ओ आन्सर दिना तू आन्सर दिना फकत गोल घुमायता हे करा फुडें बरे दुसरे विचार क्वेश्चन दुसरे विचार
Viresh Bharkar.
स्पीकर सर
Viresh Bharkar.
काय दिला आन्सर
स्पीकर सर आन्सर तरी इवरी काय मेळोंक ना आतां म्हाका मेळटलो काय ना तें आमकां खबर ना पूण हांव विचारता आतां स्पेसिफिकली हांगा अशें उत्तर आमकां अशें मेळलें की नो शॉर्टफॉल इन हेल्थ केअर सेक्टर आतां हो जो उत्तर डिपार्टमेंट दिता आमी एवरी टायम पळयता की आमच्या म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात जीएमसी येता आतां जीएमसीची कॅज्युलिटी फूल आसता स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता की आयसीयू बेड ना कमी आसा एवरी टायम आयसीयू ना म्हणून भायर रावचें पडटा व्हेंटिलेटर ना सारके तुमी पळयता की जेन्ना ल्हान भुरगे जाले जल्माक येयले नाजाल्यार तांकां जो व्हेंटिलेटर सिस्टम आसपाक जाय तो आसना ताका लागून तांकां प्रायवेटान रेफर करता दुसरें जेन्ना ऑपरेशन्स पळयता स म्हयने ऑपरेशनाक डिले आसा 6 म्हयने उत्तर हे मिनिस्टराचें आसा की हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान कांयच म्हटल्यार कांयच ना म्हणटा म्हणजे सगळें बरें चल्लां आतां स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता खूब जाणांक बेडां मेळना सायडीक बसयता जमनीर न्हिदयता हेंय चालू आसा
प्रश्न
इतले स्पीकर सर ना MRI स्कॅन करपाक जाय CT स्कॅन करपाक जाय तांकां डिले जाता तांकां टायमींग दिता फुडें फुडें दुखलिता डायलिसीस पेशंटांक डिले जाता आतां हें सगळें जालें एक हो मिनिस्टर सांगता की तरी पूण म्हणटा की सगळें सिस्टम सारको आसा आमचो शॉर्टफॉल कांयच ना म्हणटा आतां एक आमचो म्हाजो सारको पॉयंटेड क्वेश्चन की इतले सगळें जे करता ते कित्याक लागून करता लोकांची सेवा करपाक जो पब्लीक सेक्टर जो आसा आमचो पब्लीक हेल्थ केअर आसा हितून लोकांक सर्वीस मेळपा लागून करता तेन्ना लोकांक हें ना म्हणून आतां सावथाचें जेन्ना हें पळयताले आमी हो वाडत आसा 2021 3717 जालो सावथाच्यान जीएमसीन येता 2022 3885 जालो 2023 4442 जालो 2024 4739 जालो 2025 4582 जालो म्हटल्यार एवरी इयर हेजो इन्क्लायन जाता वाडत आसा आतां म्हाका स्पेसिफीक मिनिस्टराक विचारपाचें आसा की इतले जेन्ना शॉर्टफॉल आसा तुमचो उत्तर एक आसा की आमचे कांय हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान शॉर्टफॉल ना तुमी मानून घेवपाक आमचो शॉर्टफॉल आसा आनी तो शॉर्टफॉलाक लागून आमी काम करतले पण ते कांयच दिसून येना सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा की आयज हे प्रायवेट सेक्टरान धाडटा आयज कितलेशे प्रायवेट पयशे ना आयज लोकांक त्रास जाता लोक आयज तकली उडयल्ली आसा कोणाक 15,000 सॅलरी आसता तरी पूण तांकां प्रायवेटान 3-3 लाख भरचे पडटा 5 लाख भरचे पडटा 10 लाख भरचे पडटा कोणा कडेन मिनिस्टरा कडेन बाकीच्या कडेन पयशे आसत पयशे पण ह्या बाबडे गरीब लोकांचे मातशे तरी चिता सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा मिनिस्टराक की हो जो शॉर्टफॉल तुमच्या आतां ह्या एलक्यूनूय येता कितले रेफरल हांगा येयल्ले आसा तो इतलो शॉर्टफॉल आमकां दिसता आख्खे गोंयची जनता पळयता की शॉर्टफॉल आसा सो मिनिस्टरान सांगचें की हो शॉर्टफॉल केन्ना पर्यंत ते क्लियर करतले आणि हे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज SSBन जावं साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसा आजुल्यो आसा GMC आसा हांगा फॅसिलिटीज केन्ना पर्यंत मेळटल्यो आणि एक तो जो युनिट आसा तो केन्ना स्टार्ट
ऑनरेबल मेंबरान जे सांगला जेन्ना जेन्ना ऑनरेबल मेंबर माझे कडेन आयलो जेन्ना डॉक्टर बांदेकर डीन आशिल्लो तिचे मांडूर फॅसिलिटी बी इम्प्रूव करपाची आशिल्ली आनी ताका सांगलें MLA बरोबर घेवन ते फंक्शन आसूं काय कितें एम्ब्युलन्स आसूं प्रत्येक गोष्ट आयज ताका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कर म्हणून हांवें सांगलें हांव उलयतां
4 वर्सां जाली लेबर रूम जो स्टार्ट करपाक
हांव उलयतां काय तूं उलोव
अजून सांग ना.
प्रॉब्लेम ना 12:30 जातले जातलो विषय मेन म्हणजे कितें स्पीकर सर आय हॅव नेवर सेड एट एनी गिवन पॉयंट ऑफ टाइम दॅट एव्हरीथिंग इज 100% परफेक्ट देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दॅट हॅव टू बी कोप्ड अप विथ आता तुम्ही जे सांगले की काही लोक असा परिस्थिती आयज जेन्ना ICU बेड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन सँक्शन करून GSIDCतल्यान आमी ते इनॉग्रेट आता म्हाका दिसता ह्या दिसान केल्यार बरें आता मकर संक्रांत बी चालू जाली बरो दिसा करता आमी बेगीन ते आतां
गोड
चला.
गोड गोड
हा, एक मिनिट.
मकर संक्रांती चालू आसा गोड गोड बोलून हे
ना,
लोकांक
गोड
सेवा
गोड
करपाक
बोलून-
जाय.
आता
सर्व्हिस
गोड
करपाक जाय.
बोलून
आता लेबर रूमाचे आसा ना
स्पीकर
त्यांनी
सर.
उल्लेख केलो की जो मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटर आमी एकूच डिमांड एक आमचो सिंपल आसलो लेबर रूम जो आसा तो ऑपरेशनल करता
सर.
तो लोड मातसो शिफ्ट जातलो
Let me
4
speak.
वर्सां जाली
Let
अजून
me
जायना
speak.
सो
Let
तो
him
आमकां
reply.
सांगता की मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटराचे
Allow him to finish speaking.
मातशें विचारचें लेबर रूम केन्ना जातलो हो तरी विचारचें तितले तरी इल्लेशें काम जाता
ना तुम्ही विचारले दोन प्रश्न विचारले दोन प्रश्नाचं उत्तर दिता हांव. तुम्ही विचारले की NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून आम्ही NICU नवो GSIDCतल्यान ते कमिशन आता करपाचें आसा कारण ते बेड्स जे फूल जाता ते भुरग्याक आमी हालू शकना केन्ना केन्ना तो भुरगो जो एडमिट जंय जाता अरे एक मिनिट साहेब हांव उलोवन तरी दी तुझो विषय 2 मिनटान जावचो ना रे ते मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की हे बेडा आयज 30 बेड हाचे NICU आयज आमी कमिशन करता इनॉग्रेशनाचे सोडून ताबडतोब कमिशन कर म्हणून आमी सांगला म्हणजे ते भुरगे जे आसा डॉक्टर मागीर ते भुरगे वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हाका कळटा की जेन्ना ते हेल्थवेन काय मणिपालान वयता तांकां त्रास जाता ते पयशे भरपाक जायना मागीर तेजे उपरांत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान परत हाडपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता बेड तयार करपाक ICU जितके बेड आसता आयज बी तुमी गेल्यार ते बेडा 100% फूल असतात ते वाडोवपाची परिस्थिती आहे इवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं काय SSBन आयज तुम्ही पळयला तुम्ही स्वतः वयता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान SSBन आयज नवे प्रकारचे अँड लेटस्ट आमी हाडलेले आता कोणी सांगले रोबोटिक हाडूं ना रोबोटिकूच आयज न्यूरो सर्जरी बी सगळे रोबोटिकच्या माध्यमांतल्यान चलता तुम्ही जे सांगल्या हांवें म्हणून
म्हाका फक्त जाय की केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें
Main is that every aspect is being looked at. Honorable Speaker, you represent the North Goa and MAPSA. You know the difficulties that we have there and the things that have to be done. To get the doctors, to get intervention, it's easy to make a speech, but I have to get them, make them available. And after making them available, they come from private sector, but their expectation also in terms of salaries is much higher than the existing doctor that is on a regular basis. So there is an imbalance. And order because of that imbalance, they don't stay for a long period. And it's important for us to allow, if the House is in agreement, to open up the system so that doctors from peripheral areas and peripheral states, we should be able to recruit them in the state of Goa on contract basis. I have no problem. We need doctors. We are running short of doctors. Nurses are there. Every other aspect can be taken care of by the state of Goa. But when specialist doctors are concerned, we need to get them. We have got now Amit Mahadev, Honorable CM is helping me do the
Speaker sir, question,
अरे
time काबर जाता?
time काबर जाता?
एक मिनिट थांबा.
विरोधी पक्ष उलयताय.
केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें?
I sit down. My time is up. I cannot answer any more questions.
क्वेश्चन की आणि
फिरेश बोरकारान
शॉर्टफॉल असा म्हणून सांगले आन्सर दिता रिप्लाय शॉर्टफॉल असा म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगता
एक प्रसाक्याक लोड वाडटा
एक तेच हांव सांगता
लोड वाडटा
शॉर्टफॉल असा
उत्तराचेर वचूं नाका लोड तुका खबर आहा
तिथून म्हणटा तुम्ही शॉर्टफॉल शॉर्टफॉल आसा मुखेलमंत्र्याक सांगला तिथून क्लिअर कट कळटा
विजय सरदेसाय विजय सरदेसाय
स्पीकर सर
हे कशा
Wednesday
शॉर्टफॉल
guys,
हेल्थ केअर ना म्हणून जे सांगले मंत्र्यान जे इलेक्शन एफान
the banner that he carried, Honorable Member Wenzi Vegas carried, 52 crores wasted in Tuang Hospital. Where is it justified?
It is justified.
Where is it justified? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? He doesn't have a CAG para.
आता
Nowhere is
question विचारू काय नका
He's
अरे बाबा चिंता नको
Justification.
No, there has to be a justification. There has to be a justification when a responsible member of the house is carrying a placard in the house. And it is not built by the health department and he cannot make allegations to any department. In this floor of the house, not having a
Wednesday
CAG for a backup.
Vegas, Wednesday Vegas, sit down. Sit
Because
down.
the minister has agreed that is
I have not agreed. I need a justification of his statement.
Listen.
Justification is
One minute. Speaker sir, the referrals to GMC in 2021 was 4,900. In 2025, it has become 8,100. So there is a 63% rise. And what has happened? All these district hospitals are mere referral centers. The whole world does it. Speaker sir, will the minister give me an answer? Who is responsible for the delay in all these facilities which were supposed to come to South Goa District Hospital? And how many stroke, head injury, cancer patients, whatever, were forced to travel to Pamboli because the machine was never installed? Yeah, the code, who is responsible? They have to be some.
Speaker sir,
Simple question.
Speaker sir, the treatment protocol for strokes, apart from STEMI, which I was the one who started in the state of Goa.
No,
I-
Goa needs
one sec.
South District
One
Hospital.
sec. I will
South
come to South Goa District Hospital. आयज लोक मरता म्हणून एक मिसकन्सेप्शन लोकांक मिसगायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करू नाकात.
अरे, reference इतले वाडटा
जालें,
पळय.
29, 8 मिनिट म्हाका उत्तर
Reference इतले वाडटा न्ही, लोक मारता म्हणटा.
Question hour is over.
म्हाका उलोव न्ही. तूं उलयता जाल्यार कितें आतां तो उलयता.
मारता, लोक मारतात.
आणि जे विरोधी पार्टी सांगतात तेच ऐकपाचें.
Question hour सोंपलेलो.